Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to start a voice chat on Discord using your PlayStation 5. And with the new update, this is really easy to do. Just make sure it's linked to your PlayStation 5 account by going to Settings. Then go down to Users and Accounts. And go to Linked Services and go to Discord right here. And then sign in with your email address and password associated with Discord. Once you have that linked, press the PlayStation button. Going down to the game base, and you'll notice that there is an option now for Discord on the bottom. And here is all my different servers for Discord. So you will need the application, or you can go on a web browser and you can join servers there. But once you join the server, it will show up on your PlayStation 5 now. So let's go to one of my servers here. And you can see all the different voice chats in here. So this is all set up by the server owner. They're able to decide how many voice chats there are and what games. Another thing is we have direct voice chats right here. So I can go to like a friend. Let's go to the Gimmer. And I can start a voice chat just like normal. On Discord, it's a little bit different. But on here, I mean, you have the option for like the party chat to the right or the game chat to the left. We have mute or on mute. Then we got voice chat settings report. And then we have, looks like I'm not in a game chat. We can switch the game chat though from here. So we have all these features that we had before, but with Discord. So yeah, this makes it really easy to communicate cross-platform. If someone's on the PlayStation, Xbox, or even the PC or phone now, everyone can speak to each other. But check this out, Discord right here on the bottom, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.